Good day everyone, I greet you according to your time. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your dollar card for free. And firstly, before we continue, let me ask you one question. Why would we need this dollar account? Why? Why would we need it? Actually, we need this dollar card for many reasons. Sometimes let's say for instance, you want to pay for your online service or you want to buy a course from Udemy, for example. Mostly Udemy don't accept African card. Like all this Mastercard we use here, they don't accept it. So you have to use a dollar account. And secondly, sometimes some people have a pay you option in Facebook, while some people don't have a pay you option. So you cannot be able to pay for your pay you account. You won't be able to fund your Facebook ad account. And this thing, it will be taking your business down. It will be taking your business down because you have to run your ad to get lead, and also to get people to sell your product to. And you see, whenever your business is going down, you too, you're just going down. So you have to look for a solution for it, for you to get your dollar card. And secondly, and thirdly, you have to reduce rate of scamming. Sometimes you see some people, they'll send a lot of money to some guys they don't know online or on Facebook, and those guys will claim that they have a dollar account that they will use to fund their account. They'll send money to them. In return, they'll block them. You see, are you going back, or are you going to square one, or what? It's better you get access to your own card and do it in your own room so that anybody will not rip you. So let me forget, there are a lot of things you can do with this card. So we have to dive into it now so that you see how you can secure your own card. So for some people that cannot go through it, I'm going to drop the link that you can use to get to this website. You can create your dollar card, or you can go to Play Store and download your app. So follow me now. Let me show you step by step. Welcome again. If you know you're kind of people that like online things like free things like coupons of things or web development, subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any of our good video, because we are coming with a lot of video that we have been preparing for. We have learned a lot that we are going to impact on you. And second, we are going to be dropping hot news for you guys. So let's go. Right now, I'm in my Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone or iOS, you are going to use Apple Store. So firstly, what you're going to do is to click here. This is your search bar. So this search bar, just click this search bar and type and search Eversen. EVER, then SEND. Eversen. Click search. Searching. So right now you can see my own. Here's my Eversen account. But what you'll be seeing here, you'll see install for your own phone. You'll see install. Why? Because you have not installed it. Me, I've installed this app already in my phone. So all you have to do now is to click install and allow it to install. When it's installed, you will now see enable. So that enable, you just click that enable and go into the app. Then you open the app. Then you come here, you see, then it will direct you to this landing page like this, just landing page like this. So when it directs you to this kind of a landing page, you're going to use your email and login. So I'm going to use my email to log in into this account. All right, I've already used my email to sign up, and they have sent me a verification code to my email. All I have to do now is to go back to my Gmail account and copy the verification code and paste it for them. So you have to go to your Gmail account and get your code to paste it for you. Okay, if you look at my own now, you can see message from Eversen. Eversen will send me a verification code to my Gmail account. So you too, you will receive your own in your Gmail account. You can see Hi, it is great to meet you. We would like to make sure you got your email address correctly. Please enter this verification code in your Eversend app. So you have to copy this verification code and paste it in your Eversend app. So my one is 40717. So I'm going to paste it in my Eversend app. 40717. Then I'll click continue. So here right now you're going to select your country, then put your phone number here. So I'm going to select my country. You to select your country. Uh, yeah, my sweet country. Where is my sweet country? This is my country. So I've put on my country. Then all you have to do now is to put your phone number here. Put your phone number here. You see, put your phone number here. They have already put your country code, so you don't need to put your country code again. Just put your phone number here. Like if your phone number start from 0816267 or 087 or 08 something. So you're not going to put that zero. That first zero, you're not going to put it. You're just going to start with your like 817. You understand? Don't put that first zero. Don't put that first zero. You can see from my own video they say confirm phone number. Confirm phone number, so you have to confirm it by clicking OK here like this. OK. So here you have to enter your verification code sent to your phone number. The verification code sent to your phone number. So after verifying your phone number, it will bring you to interface like this, like interface like this. If you look, you can see some transaction I've done so far. So after you have done that, you just come and click here. Just click this card. When you click card, all you have to do is to click here like this, here like this. So after you click that side, you'll see a pop-up. They'll ask you to verify your account, which is KYC. You have to complete your KYC by uploading either your name or either your name slip. Just choose either your name slip. Prefer you should just use either your name slip if you have your name slip, and if it's clear, or use or voter card, any of them, just use it to verify your account. So when you are done with your verification, you just click here like this. Click here like this. Click it. So when you click it, it will bring you to this kind of interface. You see card appearance. So here you have to choose your card appearance. If you like blue, you just choose blue. If it's, you see, it's in blue. If you like dark, you just choose dark. So here you are going to fund your account. You're just going to fund your account. When you fund your account, they will give you a bank detail to fund your account. Just fund your account like that. Then you come back. Let me go and fund my account. You see, come here like this. So I'll click here like this. I want to fund my account. Click fund. You have to click fund next. See bank transfer. You have to fund it like 2K. Just fund it like that. It's okay, and you'll get everything. You see the bank account number. Don't, it's not this one you copy it, or they'll give you your own special one. If you mistakenly send it to my own, it will just enter my own directly. So it's your own card and they'll give you your own. So don't send it to this one. Just send it to this one. So you copy it and fund your account. Let's assume I've already formed my account. All you have to do, I have to click here. I have to click this exchange. So I'll click this exchange. You see? And then you choose the currency you're converting to. So I'm going to convert it to USD, like US dollar, not euro, US dollar, please. So click here like this. You see? That's what I'm going to do. and they say 1 USD equals to 1 USD is equivalent to 1,030 naira on this bank. Dollar is just very good. So when you click it and exchange, let's say you've already exchanged your account to dollar now. So when you're done with it, you come back to it again. You come back to card again. Then you click here again. Just follow that step and follow that thing. So let's say I've already found my account. All I have to do is just to click the processing and you're done and your card will be ready. Everything will be ready. Nice one. So please, if you have any question that is bothering you, you can comment, you can drop it in my comment section. I'll answer your question. But please don't don't send message to anybody in WhatsApp. I don't have a WhatsApp account. I don't have a WhatsApp account and I don't have Facebook account. So don't send message to anybody in WhatsApp, please.